Hi, you're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make traffic police duty allotment. So this project basically to allocate the traffic people, police personnel to the particular location. So there are a number of points in the police station limit. So each point they want to allocate the people. For this purpose, this particular project will help the traffic police. So first let us understand how the whole project has to work and what are the things we can add in this particular project. So if you watch some more videos from our channel, you'll understand the whole concept like how we can make the small project. Now when you come to the police, traffic police allocations, so here we can start with login form, then we can go to MDI form. So in the MDI form, you can provide a menu. So in a menu, you have menu items. So for that, we can link each form. So what are the forms are available? We can link the forms. Therefore, you can show that particular form when I click the link. Next, here we take the qualifications and the designation, and then the employee detail or the staff members or police details. So first we'll create all the police. Then you can have a station details. Then we can have area. So our area point. Okay, so where this police personnel has to go and work. So that is the area. So our point. So that is what you have to create. After that, you need to make the allocations. So overall has to work on the particular point and also on shift basis, which shift they has to work. So shift also come into picture. So therefore we can allocate them here. So based on that, we can generate the reports. So in reports, we'll show all the employee list, then area names, then allocation list. So allocation is important. Therefore, we'll show like allocation list. So from that, like no, the person who has to do all this work, so they can automatically do it on a computer. They can print out and give to the people, so that people know, like police people know, like where they need to work on the particular day. So these are things which will cover in this particular project. I'll demonstrate and I'll show you like how exactly it is done. And this is a desktop application using VB.NET as a front end and SQL Server as a back end. So we are using Microsoft SQL Server as a backend to create database and the tables. So let us look at the project demo. So start Visual Studio, and we are using Visual Studio 2019. So this one you can download from the Microsoft website. It's a free edition, and we have a separate video like how to install Visual Studio 2019. Please watch that video in case you are not yet installed the Visual Studio, and follow all the instructions and then get installed to your system. And here are the forms. These are the forms which are using in this project. So we'll start with the flash screen. So this is the flash screen and we made one picture here. So this picture you can easily create in a paint. Okay, just go to paint and then create the picture. So that's possible. Then you have to link that picture. So in order to link this, if you go to properties window, there is a background image. So there is a background image. You need to browse this and then you have to import the picture. So generally we keep the picture in the debug folder. From there you need to import, and then you have to use the timer to show only for 5 seconds. After that it should go away. So we have some more videos, no, please watch that videos also, in which video we already explained like how the basic things all work, so that you can get it. So then the login form to log into the project. So next we have MDI form. So here are the options of this particular project: area names, qualification, designation, shift, employee details, station detail, and assign the work to them. Right. So now if you look at any of the one form, for example, if you get station detail, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns are there. So I'll go to, this is Server Explorer. So now to view the Server Explorer, go to View menu, then select Server Explorer. So you have Server Explorer here. You have to use the data connection to link to the database. Okay, I'll select the data connection, right click, then you have to go to Add Connection. Then here you have to choose Microsoft SQL Server database file. If you select this one, it is easy for you to deploy, easy for you copy from one place to other place. So for you can use this option only. And then because now it's already created, I can browse and I can use. And if you're creating now, you can just give the name. You can create the new or existing. So you want to create a new one, you can create it here. But you have separate video. So please watch that video how to create database in our channel. I'll show you the list later. But if you use that one, you'll understand how to create the database. Now I'll go to browse I go to bin folder, debug folder. So here is the police data. So I click OK. So now it's connected. So we can able to see the tables. So these are the tables which are using in this particular project. So if I right click and say show table data, we'll show the data. And if I say definition, so we'll show the definition. So what are the columns are there in this particular table? The two columns, one is area name, another is a detail. So this is the corresponding data type. Same way assign. So if you take the definition, so these are the columns and these are the corresponding data type. And designation, again two field. Employee detail. So employee table is almost same in all our project because we use the same concept. But you can change like according to your requirement. You can add up some more columns or you can remove some columns. All are possible. So next is qualification. So two columns. Shift details, again two columns here. Station, probably four columns. Okay, so there are four columns in this, and then user tab, again two columns where you have user ID and password. So these are the tables and these are the forms. Now let us run the project. So to run this, you have to click on the start button. So this is a welcome screen. It will be there for 5 seconds, then automatically it will go off. So then you have a login form. So via login form, you can log into the project. So now the options. So area name. So what are the areas? Okay. So now let's say bus stop signal. So in that covering areas and all is there, you can write down. So that's what one point we created. Qualifications and designations are very common in all the projects in case it is there. So this is a constable, and then shift detail, first shift, and then you can also make second shift. So second shift time is let's say 8-hour duty. So morning 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So then 4 o'clock to 4 p.m. to then 8 hours. Okay. So it's 12 p.m. Next, here are the employee details. So we can give the code here. Let's say P1002 and the name some Ranjit. So address and all you have to fill. So I'll just take only phone number now. So email ID. So these two what is already entered will come over here. So therefore I can choose one from the list. So now we created an employee. Next is the station detail. So we already have one station here that will do the job. Next is the assign. Okay. So now this is what important. So where to assign? So this is the station name. So if you have multiple station, you have to select the station. Then you have to go to area name. So now I was new point I created as a bus stop signal, and here is a shift name. So this is a second shift and employee code. So you have to select the P1001. I can add this. Sorry, not save. You have to add here. Then you have to add one more person. These two people has to work in the particular this point and this shift, and these are the employees. So now we can save this. So next time when you come back here, if you take the station and if you take this point and if you set display, a shift you have to select second shift. So you can see that employees will be shown over here. So here we can provide one more print option, so then we get printed. So that will do the job. And there are a lot of lot of options are open to enhance the project. So basic level it's okay, but in real time we need to do a lot, so that you need to plan and we have to add. So here are the reports. So area wise employee list. So if you select the area name, okay, here it is shift name. So display again the same list will come here also. Then one more is station details. What are the stations we created? So sorry, employee list, and yeah, these are the employee list. So in a report, we want to display everything in the grid view. So this is a grid. In the grid view, we are displaying all the informations. So again, you go to the MDI parent, and if you check it out, this station details, you can see that the station list report is correct actually. So then if you say station list report, so here when you go to display, here it's still displaying the employee only. So therefore you need to change to station list. Therefore you can say star from station tab. So station by station name. So therefore you have to give station name here. Select start from station tab, order by station name. So now it will display all the stations. I go to my project instead of from the beginning. So we straightway go to MDI parent. So then we can run this. So we'll go to MDI parent, and now if I click station details, so it will display the stations. And there is a print option, so it can be printed. Fine. So these are the things which are provided in this project. So hope you understand the concept, like how the whole project works. So same way you need to plan and then you have to do the project. Fine. So keep trying. Wish you can able to complete this project. When you do it your own, you will get definitely a lot of benefits. So also please go to our YouTube channel, that is Highblix tutorials, and then click on videos. So when you click videos, you can see that a lot of videos you have uploaded. As I told already, if you want to learn from the basic, so we have videos like how to create MDI parent, how to create. So this one is how to create the MDI parent, and this one is how to create the login form. Then to work with SQL Server, like how to work with SQL Server. And apart from this, lot of other projects also available. So please watch them, and also share this channel with your friends who are doing CS course. Definitely for everyone, it's very useful. You can also learn Python in this channel. So please subscribe to our channel and keep improve yourself. So learn the coding to do it yourself, and definitely it'll help you for your jobs also. Hope you do so. Good luck. Thank you very much.